You post consistently, you promote your business, but no one is buying from you. I've been there, and let me be honest, it's not the algorithm, it's you. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 5 possible reasons why no one is buying from you and how to fix them. And make sure you stay to the end because this might change your business forever. Hello amazing people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just coming across this video for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The first reason why people are not buying from you is that you are confusing them and you're not clear. If people go to your page and in the first 5 seconds they can't tell what you sell, then you're doing something wrong. Instead of using big cute grammar, you can break it down and simplify your offer. For example, instead of saying I help ambitious people reach their potential, it sounds cute, but no one knows what they are trying to buy. Why not say things like I teach new business owners how to grow their TikTok and land paying clients. Now that is more clear and people would understand what you're trying to sell. So use the formula: what is for, what problem it solves, and what results you're trying to give. And hope you know that confused people don't buy. The second reason why people are not buying from you is because they don't trust you yet. People don't trust you yet. You're asking people for money when you have not given them value or build a relationship with them. They are not going to give you their money. So use this exact formula: you give before you ask. You either entertain or educate them to build trust before trying to sell to them. Make sure you give 70% value before trying to sell. Use 30% to sell and give 70% value. So the third reason why no one is buying from you is because your product looks cheap. People judge your product from how it looks. If they see a picture of your product looking tacky or low quality, they will assume that the product is low quality. So you have to fix it. You have to use a clear image or a clear flyer to advertise your product. Make sure you use a good lighting and also testimonials because perception also matters. If it doesn't look like it's worth paying for, people won't pay for it. The first reason why no one is buying from you is because your product isn't solving a particular problem. If your product or services does not solve a specific painful problem, people won't buy it from you. For example, you're selling a journal and you're advertising your journal as I sell journal that helps you find purpose. No one is going to buy from you. You can instead advertise that journal as I sell journals that helps you stay organized and reduce stress in just 5 minutes. And you'll see people will want to buy that journal from you because you're telling them the problem that the journal will help them solve actually. So go from features to results. Don't sell a course, sell the transformation. The fifth reason why no one is buying from you is because you don't have social proof. People won't try you unless they trust you first. If no one is talking about your product, people won't want to patronize you. Make sure you post screenshots of testimonials, DMs, even before and after. If they don't see this thing, they assume that your products or your services is not working out. So remember, people are buying products, they are not just buying from you yet. But with this step, you'll be able to fix apply this tip and watch what happens to your content, your brand, and your sales. If you learned something new today, please hit on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section.